I hope you are able to see the screen, and as you can see from the screen on your as you can see from the screen, you can guess that what this video is about. So hello everyone, this is Mohammad Fahim, and today I'm going to review the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or NEET UG 2023, which is the national medical entrance test to get admission into MBBS courses across India. if you are अगर आपको इंडिया में एडमिशन होना MBBS में, तो NEET is the exam, the sole exam you should qualify to get into any medical college, like in AIMS. Whether in AIMS, previously it was AIMS I think, and previously when I was giving the paper, it was like I gave AIMS. I did not give AIMS obviously, but I at that time the paper was like that, so I gave JIPMER actually, and I gave my state entrance test. For those who don't know, I belong to the state of Telangana, and I also gave the state entrance test, that is a MSET, and I also gave NEET 2 times, and a lot of changes have been, I observed, that is taken place in NEET since I gave the exam. So let's see what happens. And this video is going to be like a reaction video. So those who don't know me, let me introduce myself again. My name is Mohammad Fahim, and I'm currently pursuing 4th year MBBS from Yan Institute of Medical Sciences, Telangana. And you can see a bit denasal speech in my tone because I have been suffering from cold since 3 days. So pardon that, and let's jump into it and let's see. So as you can see in the screen, the let me just confirm whether, yeah, you can see the screen. So the screen, if you are a NEET student, if you are so let me just give you some overview. The NEET exam consists of 3 subjects, that is the physics, chemistry and biology. Biology is divided into 2 parts, that is botany and zoology. And when I gave NEET, the paper was like 45 questions from physics में से आते थे, 45 from bio and 45 from chemistry. But now what they have done is, I think the physics section, or all the sections are divided into section A and B. So section A, the paper section A consists of questions from 1 to 35. So I don't know what this change is, but I hope this change helps the students eventually. So let's see some of the questions. Not all paper I can review, but I can see some of my relevant questions which I can recollect from my memory. I can review on that. So most of the questions from this paper I have downloaded from the net is marked. I don't know whether this guy has marked correct or not. So which I feel correct, I'll tell you guys. The work functions of cesium. This physics section was all numerical based. Meko physics में physics I used to like very much, the theory, the whole concept of it, but I did not got hold of the solving numericals in less time. I like the subject and all, but solving numericals was a bit tricky for me, and time management was a crucial aspect of NEET. For those who are attempting, for those who are writing NEET, this is my sole advice, that you have to manage time, because you have to do 200 questions now. Previously we used to do 180. You have to do more questions in less time. So you have to get hold of time. So let's see some, yeah, this galvanometer, these questions used to be very easy, man. These questions used to come directly from my study materials only, this type of questions. So these kind of questions you can do very easily in physics, and all that वो लॉजिक बोर्ड वाला A and B, उसका आउटपुट क्या होता, वो वैसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी रहते. तो पहले वो करे तो you can get confidence. So this third question reads, if the galvanometer capital G does not show any deflection in the circuit shown, the value of R is given by. So let's see, either say this symbol is for battery, and this is resistance, and this is galvanometer G. Galvanometer G is a device which measures current flow. So for those who don't know, so this guy has marked 100 ohms. I don't know, I don't have any mathematical tool to, you know, to correct. I'll try to give answer to some of the theory based questions, because nowadays what is happening is in physics also they are asking very much theory based, statement based questions. So for these kind of questions I would suggest read NCRT. NCRT theory में से ही आते हैं questions, तो NCRT में से पढ़ो. A full wave rectifier circuit consists of two PN junction diodes, a center tap transformer, capacitor and load resistance. Which of these components remove the AC ripple from the rectifier output? I don't know, man. I just want bio questions, not physics and chemistry questions. Anyhow, for you guys, I'm just looking at. Yeah, these are all are numerical based questions. Emitter wire was G 0.32. Yeah, this question is from units and measurements. I remember this kind of questions. This is not a numerical based on the physics of it. It is based on the units of it, units and measurements. So this is also a very famous questions. ये चैप्टर में से एक या दो क्वेश्चंस आते थे. A hydrogen spectrum. Yeah, this Balmer series, Lyman series, Bastian series. I remember asking this. This is a very this is the easy question. I think this is a very 11th one. This is one of the easiest question. So yeah. After seeing this question, I'm remembering all my intermediate days. One of my teachers was used to, his name is MS sir. He used to do all this a man in rain वाले questions, a river or boat वाले questions. वो बहुत माइंड ब्लो हो जाना वो क्वेश्चंस देखे तो ये एक व्हाट इज द साइंस बिहाइंड दिस इज फोर्स. जो फोर्स लगता ना, फोर्स ए साइड पे हुआ तो आपको वेक्टर से कैलकुलेट करके उसका कौन सा डायरेक्शन है मालूम करना. सो बाय सीइंग द क्वेश्चन यू शुड नो व्हाट द प्लेयर इज, व्हाट डायरेक्शंस लाइक नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट, वो पूरा कैलकुलेट करके आपको ये आंसर करना पड़ता. तो आई रिमेंबर दिस नाउ. I remember all of this, but it's been a long time. Yeah, these statement based questions, these are asked nowadays. Nowadays these questions are very these are you should read. These questions are very टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. पूरा स्टेटमेंट पढ़ के फिर ये स्टेटमेंट आंसर भी स्टेटमेंट में है. इट्स नॉट लाइक आंसर कुछ नंबर में है 1 2 3. तो स्टेटमेंट दोनों को स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट करते हुए दोनों का स्टेटमेंट का आंसर का भी स्टेटमेंट है, तो उसको देखते हुए करना. या दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ऐसा दे देता वो, दे के उसमें से ये क्या है बोलता. सो इफ यू हैव रेड you should know this what this is. D by ds, all those integration वाले problems, all differentiation वाले problems. या दिस मैं जब नीट लिखा था फर्स्ट टाइम तो ये आए थे, ये वाला आया था क्वेश्चन. तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, एक डायोड, एक कलर कोडेड रहता रजिस्टर, कलर कोडेड. यू वुड हैव सीन समवेयर इन इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस में रहता. सो दोस कलर कोडेड, दैट कलर कोडेड मीन्स व्हाट इज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस. तो वो कलर कोड से अपने को ना कलर देख के बोलना पड़ता. So enough of physics. I think magnitude and direction of the current in the following circuit is, this is a physics, current and electricity करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का वेटेज बहुत हो गया, पहले नहीं था इतना, क्या करे कि वो लोग. The errors in the measurement which arise due to unpredictable fluctuations in temperature and voltage supply are, yeah, instrumental error. I think this guy has marked correct. Sorry guys. Yeah, for young double slit experiment also I remember. Two statements are given below. Your screen is moved away from the plane of angular separation. Yeah, what happens is I did practically this young double slit experiment. So what happens is a plain paper is there in which two holes are kept. Behind the holes there is a light. So these two waves from two, so these two holes act as two different sources of light. सो दैट इज उसका कुछ फिजिक्स से ऐसा होता था कि फिजिक्स से उन दोनों के रेस कैंसिल होके एक डार्क स्लिट एक डार्क स्लिट एक ब्राइट स्लिट, डार्क स्लिट लाइट ब्राइट स्लिट, तो ऐसा आता था. एक्सपेरिमेंट वॉज गुड बट these guys have made it all seem so tough because science is very beautiful, man. Just enjoy everything. Yeah, this question is from mechanics. A bullet is fired from a gun at a speed of 280 meter per second in the direction of 30° above the horizontal. Okay, the maximum height attained by the bullet is fired from a speed of, height attained is, this is trigonometry 2000. You have to do, what you have to do is, from the speed you have to first calculate the horizontal distance. From the horizontal distance I think you should calculate the vertical distance. So that gives vertical distance of 2000 meters. या एक कैरनॉट इंजन, ये कैरनॉट इंजन का क्वेश्चन जो था वो इंटरमीडिएट का आईपी जो थियरी एग्जाम्स रहते, फॉर दोज हू डोंट नो, आईपी इज द थियरी स्टेट बेस्ड थियरी एग्जाम्स कंडक्टेड बाय आवर स्टेट बोर्ड. सो कैरनॉट इंजन का एक एल की अभी तक याद है मेरे को, तो इसका एफिशिएंसी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता था. तो एफिशिएंसी आखिरी में जो मेरे को याद था, विदाउट कैलकुलेटिंग आई यूज्ड टू राइट एफिशिएंसी इतनी है. सो दैट इज़ अ नॉस्टैल्जिक मोमेंट फॉर मी. Where is the bio question, man? कितना है पेपर? This kind of questions are quite easy, I think. This flow chart वाले questions in physics. I used to do this flow chart वाले questions because these questions people used to see and freak out, but I did not. A vehicle. This is also from mechanics. This is gravitation, I think. Yeah. Gravitation chapter. Two bodies, the big gravitation. A venturi meter works on. Venturi meter, I know venturi meter. SPM में 3 months back I read one question of slow sand filter. उसके अंदर भी venturi meter for purifying water. Venturi meter भी वो slow sand filter में use होता. So here, what is the principle? I am not able to recollect, but yeah, venturi meter has many applications, guys. पढ़ो वो क्या है. फिजिक्स का सेक्शन भी है. ओके, द रेडियस ऑफ इनरमोस्ट हाइड्रोजन एटम इज थर्ड allowed orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. Yeah, this kind of questions, man. I used to like these questions, but I am not an engineer. I'm a student of medicine. I'm a student of humans. Engineering करना था तो ये question I used to do these questions, but not all this logic table था, इसका logic circuit रहा. So if A is the input, if after this is the symbol for I think this is the symbol for reverse हो जाता वो, तो A के बाद अगर ये सिंबल आया तो A बार हो जाता हो. A बार हुआ तो ये दिस इज अ सिंबल फॉर, आई थिंक दिस इज अ NAND गेट और नॉर NAND गेट और AND गेट. आई थिंक you guys tell me in the comment what it is. ओके, इनफ ऑफ फिजिक्स मैन। ये सेक्शन बी का क्वेश्चंस बहुत टफ दिख रहा है मेरे को सेक्शन ए से। आई डोंट नो, ऑल एक्सरसाइज 3 का क्वेश्चंस आ गए इसमें। एक्सरसाइज 3, फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो व्हाट इज एक्सरसाइज 3, if you know, you know. Yeah, now chemistry has come. Taking the stability as a factor, which one of the following represents correct relationship? So stability as a factor, okay. So which compounds are more stable? I think, okay, identify the product in the following reactions. I think this is one named reaction. So named reaction जैसे SN1, SN2 reactions, वैसे reactions है शायद ये, I don't know. The given compound is an example of vinylic halide, benzylic halide, aryl halide, allylic halide. So I don't know. I think this is X मतलब vinylic halide है. X मतलब vinyl मतलब X मतलब वही ना, X मतलब एनी हैलोजन आई थिंक। अराइल मतलब आर, अराइल का शॉर्ट फॉर्म आर था, एक्स का शॉर्ट फॉर्म आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट विनाइलिक हाइलाइड in Lycian's extract of an organic compound, both nitrogen and sulfur are present, which gives blood red color with Fe+3 due to the formation of blood red color. Okay, Fe4, FeCN6, H2O. This guy has marked Fe4, FeCN6. I don't know if he has marked correct or not. Lycian's reactions, though I am not able to recollect. Yeah, this again in chemistry, these statement-based questions. Read NCRT in chemistry also, guys. They are asking everything from NCRT. If you miss this statement-based questions, then if you want to recorrect yourself, then read NCRT. ये NCRT में से ही पूछते हैं। The minimum extract. A reaction can have zero activation energy. Okay, reasons are the minimum extra amount of energy absorbed by reactant molecules so that their energy becomes equal to threshold value is called activation energy. ये सुना सुना दिख रहा है, लेकिन in the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. A is false but R is true. This guy has marked A is false but R is true. बोलो इसका आंसर कमेंट में. The right option for the mass of CO2 produced by heating 20 gram of 20% pure limestone is atomic mass of calcium 40. Mass of CO2 produced, okay. 1.76 this guy has marked. Complete the following reaction. Okay, this is again statement. Unit formed by the attachment of base. Sugar is known as nucleoside. Okay, अरे bio शुरू हुआ. My favorite. A unit formed by the attachment of a base. I bar है वो 1 bar है. Position of sugar is known as nucleoside. When nucleoside is linked to phosphorus acid at 5 position of sugar moiety, we get nucleotide. Phosphorus acid है, phosphoric acid है. Phosphorus acid, I think statement 2 is false. Base to 1 prime position of sugar is known as nucleoside. Yeah, I think statement 1, I am not sure. A compound is formed by two elements A and B. The element B forms cubic close packed structure and atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. If the formula of the compound is, अरे ये अभी केमिस्ट्री है, अभी केमिस्ट्री में ये क्वेश्चन के को पूछा है. Okay, diamond carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. Okay, cage like molecules. This guy has marked A3. A3 क्या है, यूज्ड एज ए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. कोक. डायमंड. बी कार्बन एटम. sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड. या आई थिंक दिस गाय इज करेक्ट. 61 वाला करेक्ट दिख रहा. अरे 20 मिनट हो गए. वीडियो देखो भाई, वीडियो ये. Below which are one of the following belongs to barbiturates. Yeah, I think I should skip chemistry now. बायो किधर है? बायो बायो बायो. अरे ये वाले क्वेश्चंस आई यूज टू हेट मैन. ये हमेशा ट्रिक क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं ऐसे वाले ग्राफ के. केमिस्ट्री का भी सेक्शन भी है. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह. ये बी के सेक्शन में पूरे टफ क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, इसलिए बी का सेक्शन नको करो. पहले ए के सेक्शन करके, फिर केमिस्ट्री का ए का सेक्शन करके, फिर बायो का ए का सेक्शन करके, फिर तीनों का बी का सेक्शन करो. वैसे दिख रहा है. ब्लास्ट फर्नेस बिटवीन 300 के